Hi, friends. Today we will discuss what are the seven dangerous morning diabetes signs, and you do not have to miss them. Managing diabetes is a 24/7 responsibility, but mornings can be especially critical for those living with this condition. Now, the early hours set the tone for the rest of the day, and ignoring certain morning signs can lead to serious health complications. Here we explore the seven morning signs of diabetes which are dangerous and you should never overlook, and why addressing them promptly is essential. We'll discuss them one by one and let's discuss it. The number one is high blood sugar levels, which is hyperglycemia. Waking up with elevated blood sugar levels, also known as the dawn phenomena, occurs when the body releases the surge of hormones like cortisol and growth hormone in the early morning hours. For diabetes, this can result in dangerously high blood sugar level. Warning signs: extreme thirst upon morning, frequent urination during the night, nocturia, fatigue even after a full night's sleep. Now, why it's dangerous? Persistent hyperglycemia can lead to complications like nerve damage, kidney disease, and cardiovascular disease. What to do? Monitor your blood sugar levels consistently. Consult your doctor to adjust nighttime insulin doses or medication. The number two is low blood sugar level, which is hypoglycemia. Now, on the flip side, some diabetics experience dangerously low blood sugar level in the morning due to overnight insulin usage, missed meals, or physical activity before the bed. Warning signs are shaking and trembling, sweating excessively, confusion or difficulty concentrating. Now, why it's dangerous? Severe hypoglycemia can result in seizures, loss of consciousness, even diabetic coma if untreated. What to do? Keep quick acting sugar sources like glucose tablets or juice by your bedside. Avoid skipping meals or engage in intense physical activity close to bedtime. The number three is the morning fatigue. Feeling excessively tired or drained upon waking could be a sign of fluctuating blood sugar levels. Warning signs: difficulty getting out of bed despite adequate sleep, grogginess, and the brain fog. Why it's dangerous? Chronic fatigue can impair daily functioning, reduce productivity, and signal poor diabetes management. Now, what to do? Maintain a balanced diet with complex carbohydrates and proteins. Check your blood sugar level regularly and address any of the inconsistencies. Let's discuss the number another, which is the fourth one, is the dry mouth and dehydration. Waking up with a dry mouth or feeling excessively thirsty. Now, it can be a sign of uncontrolled diabetes. Warning signs are sticky, parched feeling in your mouth, cracked lips or sores in the mouth, difficulty swallowing, and why it's dangerous. It's dangerous because dehydration can worsen blood sugar levels, creating a vicious cycle. Chronic disease may also increase the risk of gum disease and tooth decay. Now, what to do? Stay hydrated by drinking water consistently throughout the day. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed as they exacerbate dehydration. Number five is a blurry vision. Blurry vision or blurred vision in the morning may occur due to rapid changes in blood sugar level, which affect the fluid levels in the eyes. Warning signs are difficulty focusing your eyes, temporary loss of the sharp vision. Now, why it's dangerous? Unaddressed, this could lead to long-term implications such as diabetic retinopathy or permanent vision loss. What to do? Schedule regular eye checkups with an ophthalmologist. Monitor and stabilize the blood sugar levels to protect your vision. Then the number six is the tingling or numbness in extremities. Peripheral neuropathy, a common complication of diabetes, can cause tingling, numbness, or a pins and needles sensation in the hands and feet. Now, the warning signs are difficulty feeling your feet when walking, pain or burning sensation in your limbs upon walking. Now, why it's dangerous? Because untreated neuropathy can lead to infections, ulcers, or even amputations in severe cases. Now, what to do? Inspect your feet daily for cuts or sores. Engage in light morning exercises to improve your circulation. Now, headaches. which is the seventh cause. Is basically the morning headaches can be a sign of either your high or blood sugar level or low blood sugar level, often due to irregular glucose control overnight. Warning signs are persistent dull or throbbing pain upon waking, sensitivity to light or sound. Why it's dangerous? Recurring headaches can indicate poor diabetes management and impact your quality of life. What to do? Maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Track and stabilize your blood sugar level with your healthcare provider guidance, which is very important. And this was all about today's video. So the final thoughts is that ignoring these morning warning signs could mean missing an opportunity to address serious complications early on. For diabetics, the key to effective management lies in vigilance, proactive care, and regular consultation of your with your healthcare provider. So your mornings set the tone for your health. So make them count. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you have liked it and do subscribe to my channel as well.